Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and today in this video I will be showing how you can use the pen tool in Adobe Photoshop to create your own customized shapes, right? So when you open up your new document in Adobe Photoshop, you'll see over here on this left hand side, you'll see this pen tool right here, okay? So it looks like this, right? And the shortcut key for this tool is the letter P right over here, okay? So before I begin, I'm gonna make sure, there are a few things that you have to make sure, is that over here in this drop down box, make sure that you have your shape option make sure that you have your shape option chosen, and let the fill and the stroke be the way it is as of now, okay? So this is like the most basic thing that I'm going to show you how you can make your own customized shape by using the pen tool. Right. So if I click on my document once, you see there's one anchor point that comes up. So I'm going to make another anchor point right here. And then if I click and drag my anchor point like that, I can adjust the anchor points like this. Right. So you can adjust this however you wanted it to be. Like that. And as you can see that while I am also making my anchor points, this color black is also being added inside the fill, right? So that's because by default the color fill is already there as black, right? So you can let it be the way it is right now. I'm going to show you how you can then later on change the fill and the stroke as well. So right now, you can make as many anchor points as you want and then click and drag your mouse to make the adjustments however you wanted it to be, like this. And once you are done, you can come back over here to your original starting point and then just click on it to close the entire shape like that. Okay? So this is like one custom shape that I just created by using the pen tool. But for example, I do not want any fill to be there inside the shape, but I want the stroke only. Now the stroke is the outline of the shape. Right? So while my entire shape is still selected, I'll go back here to my fill tool right here, fill command, and I click and I select this option right here, which is white with a red line going diagonally. So if I click on this, there is no color, but it's important we also give a stroke or an outline to it. So I'm going to stick to black as of now, like this. So as you can see that the fill is removed and the stroke is there. Right, so we can go ahead and also increase or decrease the stroke size however you want. You can make it as big as you want or as thin as you want. So I'm going to make this stroke to be 1 pixel like that. Right? So this was the pen tool. Now there are other variations of the pen tool as well, so that I'm going to show you. So this is the second type of pen tool, which is called the Freeform Pen Tool. So make sure that you're still in your shape one right now. So what this does is that you can just drag your mouse like that and make any kind of shape of your choice. And as you can see that the Freeform tool helps you to create this kind of a custom tool, and all the anchor points are added as well. So the Freeform Pen Tool is a lot easier to use and it's more like a beginner's version of the pen tool, but it's not very accurate as compared to the original pen tool. As you can see that all the other anchor points have been added, and then you can adjust this however you wanted it to be, like that. So you can just grab onto these and then just adjust this like that, or play around with the handles, just grab the handles or something and like that. So you get an idea. Okay, so this was the freeform tool. And now the next one is called the Curvature Pen Tool. So what the Curvature Pen Tool does is that Oops. Okay, wait. Yeah. Coming back to the Curvature Pen Tool, see that the Curvature Pen Tool helps you to add curves as the names of the pen tool suggests, like that. Right, so I'm going to change the stroke now because I just want the stroke. And this time let's give the stroke a different color. So instead of black, I'm going to give it a nice red shade like this. I'm going to let the thickness be red. Oh, sorry, the thickness remain to be 3 pixels like that. Right? And now coming to this add anchor point tool. So what this tool does is that it will add more anchor points to your shape and it will help you to adjust your shape a lot more. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to be using I have this tool, I have this shape still selected and activated, right? So I'm going to use the add anchor point tool to add more anchor points in between my shape like that. And then I can just grab this anchor point, this extra anchor points that I added, to go ahead and adjust this however I wanted it to be like that. Right. So now coming to the next one, which is the delete anchor point tool, and as you must have all guessed it, this is the opposite of the add anchor point tool. So this delete anchor point tool will just help you get rid of the extra anchor points that you do not need, and hence the more anchor points you delete from your shape, the more changes you will see in your shape taking place as well. Right? And now coming here to this last one, which is the convert point tool. So what this tool is going to do is that it's going to just help you to make adjustments in your anchor points like this. Right? So you select any of these anchor points like this, and if you just click and drag your anchor points like this, it will help you to further manipulate your shape like this. It helps you select a particular anchor point like that. So that was it. So we are done. So I have covered up the pen tool and all the different type of pen tools that is available within the pen tool option right here. So all these type of tools do come in handy and they do play a different role in different kinds of illustrations that you are making. So that's it. So now that I have covered up the pen tool and the different types of pen tool, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can get a hang of the pen tool as well. So the pen tool can be a little tricky to be used, but with practice it'll get a lot better. So thank you for watching.